Hello guys, welcome to another course. In this course, we are going to learn about step-by-step mastering modern JavaScript. So this course is the course 3 of my step-by-step web development series. So prior to this course, I have released two more courses earlier in this series that I will show you. So if you go into my profile, then you will find that this is the first course, which is a Learn HTML5 from scratch step by step, and the second course is the Learn CSS3 from scratch. So on the same aspect, I am going to release the course 3, which is a step by step mastering modern JavaScript. My earlier two courses is not a prerequisite for this course if you have already knowledge about HTML5 and CSS3. So in this course, I try to cover almost every conceptual aspect of JavaScript. So let's look into the topics. What are the topics we are going to learn in this course? So we are going to start with how to include JavaScript to web page. Then we will look into browser console. Once we grasp the understanding of the browser console, then we will look into the variable, constant and comments in JavaScript. After that, we will discuss about the data types in JavaScript. In the same aspect, we will look into the string data type and the number data types within JavaScript. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will look into the template string. That is really very interesting feature of ES6 that helps us to designing the formatted output in a very easy manner. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will look into one of the important object of JavaScript, that is arrays. After getting understanding of the arrays, we will look into what actually null is, how it is different from undefined. Once we understand that, then we will look in Boolean and comparisons. In the same aspect, we will look into another topic, that is loose versus strict comparison. After that, we will look into type conversion. So till type conversion, you get better understanding about the JavaScript basics. After that, we will start learning about the control flow. In that aspect, we will cover various topics like for loops, while loop, do while loop, if block, else and else if block, logical operators, logical not operators, break and continue, switch statement. All these topics will give you a thorough understanding about control flow in JavaScript. So if you through to the topic number 22, then that means you are in a very comfortable position to write logic within the program. But to make your knowledge more concrete, we must have to understand that what actually the functions is, so that we can easily design the modular programs. And this approach is not limited to JavaScript. You can find that this approach is applicable to any of the programming language. Now from the topic number 23, our functional and modular programming journey will start, and in this aspect we will look into function declaration versus function expression, argument and parameter, returning values, arrow function, callback function, function versus method, for each method. So once you reach till topic number 30, then that means you have now thorough understanding of functional programming within JavaScript. Now from the topic number 31 onwards, we are going to learn about JavaScript objects. So in the same aspect, we will look into how to create an object literals, how to add method to the object literals. Then we will learn about the this keyword. After that, we will look into math objects. Topic number 36 is really very important. It helps us to understand the difference between primitive type versus reference types. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will start our journey with document object model. Document object model within JavaScript is one of the core and one of the most important topic in JavaScript. Once you understand this topic, then I can assure you that you become one of the best web developer in your career, as web development is nothing but a manipulation of the document object model. So in this aspect, we are going to learn about what actually the document object model is, what is query selector. Then we will learn about get element by ID, get element by class name, get element by tag. All these things we are going to learn. Once we understand the selection of elements within document object model, then we will understand about adding, modifying page content, get and set attributes, get and set a style, add and remove classes. We will also look into the node relationship within document object model. Once we understand that, we will look into how to associate an event within the document object model elements. Once you understand the events, then we will do a small project called pop-up. It is very a small project, but it covers many aspects of document object model. After that, we will look into forms. Once we understand form, then we will proceed further and we will look into some of the important method of array object, that is filter, map, reduce, find, sort. So till here you will get good understanding about the modern JavaScript that we are going to use in our next course, which is on React topic. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the course. Till then, bye bye, take care.